Do you feel the vibes?
Rimac's second hypercar, to be revealed at the Geneva Motor Show later this month, has been all but revealed in the brand's latest preview of the car. Positioned above the Concept 1, it will feature a high level of autonomy and a 120 kWh battery. A source close to the car revealed the battery statistic, although didn't confirm what performance the car can achieve. It's likely to feature level 4 autonomy where legal. This means that the car can drive itself completely, without the driver's attention, but with a driver behind the wheel just in case. Sources say targets for the new car changed when Tesla announced its new Roadster, which, it is claimed, will accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, its slowest form, and will have a 200 kWh battery pack. The Croatian supercar firm confirmed to Autocar last year that a new model would arrive in 2018. It has since announced it will be revealed at the Geneva Motor Show. At the time, Monica Michak, the Croatian firm's chief operating officer, said the car will be more comfortable and expensive than the Concept 1, but also capable of even better performance. Rimac also described the model as a true game changer. With the working name Concept 2, it definitely won't be called that, said Michak. The model will be comfortable luxury and a little bit bigger than the Concept 1, but still a two-seater. Michak said there are no plans to build a four-seater. She added that it will be even more high performance than the Concept 1. That car delivers 1,224 bhp and 1,180 pounds-feet of torque and has a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint time of 2.5 sec. While only 8 Concept 1s were built, plus 2 track-only Concept S models. The upcoming car will have a production run of 100, with Michak anticipating that Rimac would sell 20 units in the first year. Concept 2 will still be in a league with Pagani, Koenigsegg and Bugatti, Michak claimed, and cost more than the £1 million Concept 1. It will also have more range than the current model, which has 205 miles depending on driving style, although Michak acknowledged that range isn't a major concern for its customers, given these cars aren't used as daily drivers. Following the launch of the standard coupe, there will be track and Spider variants of the Concept 2 arriving in the next few years. Michak said that any new cars will have the same design DNA as the Concept 1. She pointed out that the side lines of the car are a homage to the necktie, which was created by a Croatian and would continue in future models. While Rimac is keen to grow its car offering, its main revenue comes from being a supplier to other companies. It supplies the battery for the Koenigsegg Regera and will be supplying the battery and infotainment system for the upcoming Aston Martin Valkyrie. This is an area Rimac intends to grow. Currently, the firm makes 100 batteries per year, but it is planning to ramp that up to 5,000 to 10,000 in the next few years, said Michak.